Jai Hind, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and must be enjoying this different method of learning and teaching. Definitely, when we both can interact with each other, when I am there in front of you, you can definitely feel that the presence in the classroom itself, right? Sitting in front of this class teacher or the subject teacher and teaching and learning the things teacher is teaching, definitely this is one of the best way to learn, right? So to give the same ambience at your home, this is the special way from our side to you. So hope you all are enjoying this today. So children, now let's proceed towards our today's new topic to learn. Yes, why I'm telling this to you? Because in class 1, now you are going to know the most important and the first basic topic of a grammar in English, right? So here whatever I am going to tell you today, whatever we are going to discuss with you, with everyone, you have to be very careful and you have to understand and be very attentive while attending the class. If you understand this topic well, then definitely in coming days, the topics that will be taught to you will get very easy for you. Yes, I am saying this because this is one of the most important topic. जैसे बेटा घर बनाने के लिए आपका बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स का गेम है ना आपके पास, तो आप ब्लॉक्स बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक में जब आप बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं, हाउ यू डू इट? आप पहले बेस बनाते हैं, बेस के ऊपर फिर ब्लॉक्स रखते हैं एंड देन यू मेक दैट एंटायर हाउस, राइट? इज दैट पॉसिबल? अगर उस बेस को मैं हटा दूं तो क्या वो हाउस खड़ा रहेगा? No, definitely all the blocks will fall down, right? So today's topic is the base of grammar. If you want to learn this language, if you want to masterize in this language, then definitely this base you have to make it strong. So be very attentive and alert while attending the class. Okay, so now before I tell you our today's topic, I would like to just show you few things and you just tell me what they are called as. Okay, you have to tell me what they are called as. इनको हम किस नाम से बुलाते हैं, ठीक है? So I'm showing you the first thing. Okay, a small thing. What it looks like to you, it helps us to write something on the paper, and this looks like a, yes, you are correct, it's a pen. We call this object as a pen. इसका नाम क्या है? Pen, right? Now one more object. Okay, here this object is used to color or paint something. Can you tell me the name of this object? Can you tell me the name of this object? Yes, you are correct. The name of this object is brush. Paint brush. We use this for painting, right? So you saw this object also has a name. हम इसे नाम से बुलाते हैं. हम कुछ भी नहीं बुलाते हैं, है ना? हम इसे particular नाम से बुलाते हैं. इसे हम paint brush कहते हैं, right? Okay, one more thing, here it is. Yes, can you tell me what is this? What this looks to you? Yes, it's a dice. It's a cube dice, right? It's a game for you, right? It's a cubics or a cube dice. So आप इसे कुछ नाम से बुलाते हैं ना, या कुछ भी ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं, एंगी मैंगी पोंगी, something of like this? No, na? You call this particular object also with its name, isn't so? Yes. Now the last object. Okay. Oh, it's very heavy. My God, what this looks to you? Oh, look at so many pages. It's too heavy. This is a book. This is a book. We call this as a book. We call this as a book. Yes. Now you must be thinking that ma'am को आज क्या हो गया है? Why she is showing all these objects and asking the names? Yes, you guessed it right because today we are going to learn all about the names. आज हम नामों के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. Yes, this is also a topic to learn and this is one of the most important topic. Yes, children like you or me, we also have a name. Yes, we have a name. Your mama calls you by some name. I am being called by you by some name. Shalini ma'am. You tell me Shalini ma'am, right? So I also call you by my sweet children, by my pyare dear students, right? So I also call you by some name, right? So this way you can understand that everything that we see around ourselves, everything has a name. सब चीजों का एक नाम है. Everything that we see around us. Like right now in your room where you are sitting, just have a look. Can you see anything in the room which doesn't have a name? ऐसी कोई चीज आपको दिख रही है जिसमें कोई नाम ही ना हो, जिसका कोई नाम ही ना हो? No, it's not possible, right? Like the thing on which you are sitting, it is called as chair, or you are sitting on a bed, right? जिससे आप पढ़ रहे हैं, the thing which is the object which is there in your hand or on your table is called as mobile or computer, right? So you can see that we all are surrounded by names. हम सब लोग ये नेम से सराउंडेड हैं एंड एवरीथिंग हैज अ नेम. जैसे मैंने आपको ये दिखाया, लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज कॉल्ड एज डाइस, क्यूबॉइड डाइस, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पेन, राइट? तो हम इसको हम क्यूब नहीं कह सकते. क्या ये क्यूब हो जाएगा मेरे कहने से? नो, इट हैज अ पर्टिकुलर नेम. इट इज कॉल्ड एज पेन. मैं इसको पेन कहूँ तो क्या ये पेन हो जाएगा? नो, दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज कॉल्ड एज अ टॉय एंड इट विल रिमेन एज अ क्यूब और टॉय, राइट? सो एवरीथिंग हैज बीन गिवन अ नेम और हम उसको उसी नाम से पहचानते हैं. तो नाम बेसिकली किस चीज के लिए यूज होती है? पहचान के लिए. फॉर योर identification, for your identity. Like what is my identity? When somebody is talking about me, then definitely they will call by my name, that is Shalini, right? So your name, my name, the things which are there, when we talk about particular thing, when we talk about a particular person, everything has a name and that is his or her or its identity, right? तो यही हमारा आज का टॉपिक है और आज हम इसी के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं और बहुत कुछ जानने वाले हैं. So get excited and be ready because I am going to share my computer screen with you and then you will be able to see the presentation that I have prepared for you, जिससे कि आपको आज का टॉपिक और उस टॉपिक के बारे में क्या हम पढ़ने वाले हैं सब कुछ समझ में आएगा. So just give me a second and here you can see my computer screen. So I hope that now the computer screen is very much visible to you. My computer screen is visible to you on your mobile or on your computer screen. So बेटा सबसे पहले आप क्या देख पा रहे हैं? Class 1 English, right? So let us start with our today's topic and here I reveal the topic. ये है आज का टॉपिक आपका. So what is your today's topic? Naming words. Yes, our today's topic is naming words or noun. तो आज हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं जिसे हम नाउन भी कहते हैं, which is also called as noun. Okay, now don't get confused, Bigdatta, that I am saying naming words also and noun also. Like देखो आपके भी दो names होते हैं ना, we all are having two names. One name is called as pet name or a nickname and the other name is a good name. Nickname से हमें कौन बुलाता है? When we are at home, our relatives, our mother, father, they call us with our nicknames like Babu, Shona, Betu, right? And when you go to the school, your friends, your teacher, they call you with your good name like Saurabh, Alankrita, Shrishti, वेदांश, है ना. तो वेदांश का गुड नेम स्कूल में वेदांश है और घर पे मम्मा उसको वेदू करके अगर हो सकता है बुलाती हैं, है ना. तो we have two names. Like I also have two names. In school everybody calls me by my good name, that is Shalini, and at home my parents, they call me by my nickname, that is Shalu. So here the same way our today's topic also has two names. ठीक है. नेमिंग वर्ड्स एंड नाउन बोथ आर सेम, दोनों एक ही चीज है. अगर मैं नेमिंग वर्ड्स बोलूं तो भी उसका मतलब होता है नाउन, और अगर मैंने नाउन बोला तो उसका भी मीनिंग क्या होगा? नेमिंग वर्ड्स. बोथ आर सेम. राइट नाउ यू आर इन क्लास 1, सो यू विल नो दिस टॉपिक विद द नेम नेमिंग वर्ड्स. लेकिन जैसे जैसे आप बड़े सीनियर क्लासेस में जाएंगे, क्लास 2 में जाएंगे, क्लास 3 में जाएंगे, तो नेमिंग वर्ड्स कोई नहीं बुलाता है, क्योंकि नेमिंग वर्ड्स ये नाउन का निक नेम है. ठीक है, नाउन का निक नेम है, लेकिन इसका गुड नेम क्या है? नाउन. तो हमको कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हमें हमेशा गुड नेम से सबको बुलाना चाहिए, है ना. तो वी विल स्टार्ट कॉलिंग नेमिंग वर्ड्स विद नाउन. ओके. नाउ सो बिफोर यू understand anything about this topic, the first question that arises is, what are naming words? Naming words किसे कहते हैं? What are they? So here is the answer for it. Name of a person. किसी भी person का name, like boy, girl, Amit, father, mother, police, doctor is a naming word, right? Name of any place, किसी भी जगह का नाम. जैसे अभी आप कहाँ पर हैं? You are at your house. So house is a place where you stay, right? So house is a name of a place, and any place is called as naming word, like school, garden, auditorium, cinema hall, Varanasi, India, all these are names of places, right? Now, name of any animal, किसी भी एनिमल के नेम को भी हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं, लाइक लायन, टाइगर, काऊ, जिराफ, टॉमी, चीता. These are all the names of different animals, and that's why they are also called as naming words. Right? Name of any bird like peacock, parrot, pigeon, cuckoo. Right? So these are all the names of different birds. और इन names को भी हम क्या कहते हैं? Naming words. And last but not the least, name of anything. किसी भी चीज का नाम. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको क्या क्या दिखाया था? I showed you pen, I showed you paint brush, I showed you book, I showed you the toy. So all these things are things, different things. ये सब चीजें हैं. So things are also naming words. So what is a naming word? Name of any person, name of any place, name of any animal, name of a bird or name of a thing are called as naming words. So come on, once again, just repeat it after me loudly. जोर से बोलना है, एकदम मस्ती करके. Name of a person, like this, showing the finger like this. Name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of a bird, and name of things are called, come on, give a punch, naming words are called naming words. Once again, name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of bird, and name of things. 5 together they are called as naming words. Very good. Now, अब हम इसके बारे में हमने आपको ये तो बता दिया कि व्हाट आर नेमिंग वर्ड्स, किसी भी पर्सन का नेम, किसी भी प्लेस का नेम, एनी एनिमल्स नेम, एनी बर्ड्स नेम और द नेम ऑफ एनीथिंग इज कॉल्ड एज नेमिंग वर्ड. नाउ टू टेल मोर अबाउट इट, आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आए, फॉर दैट I will give you some examples. Okay, so first let me take the example of name of a person. Okay, what I mean by when I say name of any person is called as naming word. So here you can see in your mobile screen or in your computer screen, you can see some pictures, right? Like here, this is a picture of a doctor. So who is a doctor? Is a person who treats sick people. So doctor is a name of a person. एक person का name हो गया. Like second, see the second one. It's a policeman. So who is a policeman? A man who catches thieves is called as a policeman. So policeman भी एक person का name हो गया, isn't so? Now the third one, boy. Or the fourth one, girl. These are also name of different people. लोगों के नाम है, person के नाम है. मैंने अगर कहा boy, you come here. So boy is a naming word. Girl, girl, sit down. So girls is a naming word. Boy, girl, doctor, policeman, ये सब name of a person है, person के names है. So you can see here like the words doctor. जब भी आप ऐसे words को देखें, doctor, policeman, boy, girl, father, mother, sister, brother, watchman, milkman, जो भी persons हैं, it means ये सब naming words हैं. और ये किस category में आते हैं? person की category में. In which category they belong to? Person. They belong to persons category. Understood? Now let's take the other example. What I mean by name of a place. अगर place का name मैं बोलती हूँ कि अगर any name of a place is called as naming word, तो इसका meaning क्या होता है? Let me just explain you. Here you see this first picture. It's a picture of a school. So what is a school? School is a place where we all go to study. हम जहाँ जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, है ना? So it's a name of a place. It's a name of a place. एक place का name है, एक जगह का name है जहाँ हम पढ़ने जाते हैं. So that's why this is a naming word. School, this word is a naming word. Now next one, can you see the picture of a where there are swings, the green grasses, right? So it's a picture of a park. It's a park. So park क्या होता है? Park is a place where we all go to play. हम वहाँ खेलने जाते हैं, walk के लिए जाते हैं, right? So it's a place. So park, this word is also a place, and that's why it is also a naming word. Now here third picture is the picture of a office. आपके father या आपकी mother कहाँ work करने जाती हैं? Which place they go? They go to office. So office is also a place where your father or your mother goes for work. So that's why office is also a naming word. Understood? Office क्यों naming word है? क्योंकि ये एक जगह का नाम है, एक place का name है. Understood? Now the fourth picture is a picture of a द मोस्ट स्वीट एंड अडोरेबल प्लेस, जहाँ हमको सबको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. एंड इट्स द पिक्चर ऑफ आवर हाउस, हमारा घर. राइट. सो वाई हाउस इज अ नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस? बिकॉज ये एक जगह का नाम है जहाँ हम रहते हैं, where we stay in our own houses, right? So that's why house is also a naming word. So here you can see the words like school, park, office or house, they all are naming words. ये सब naming words हैं. इसके अलावा भी जैसे और examples हो सकते हैं, like लंका, like गदौलिया, like दुर्गा कुंड, सामने घाट, सराय नंदन, knowledge park, Baraipur. These are all the names of places. ये सब जगह के name है ना? So that's why they are also called as naming words. Understood? Now let's take the third example. Name of an animal और bird. किसी भी एनिमल का नेम या किसी भी बर्ड के नेम को भी हम क्या कहते हैं? नेमिंग वर्ड. नाउ लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स. लाइक यू कैन सी द टॉलेस्ट क्रिएचर, जो सबसे ऊंचा क्रिएचर होता है वर्ल्ड का, इट्स कॉल्ड एज जिराफ. यस, सो जिराफ इज वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट क्रिएचर एंड जिराफ इज एन एनिमल. डॉग. So dog is also an animal, the creature which can bark, जो भौंक सकता है, is called as dog. So dog is also an animal. Now here you can see two pictures. One picture is of a peacock. Peacock is our national bird, right? Peacock is our national bird. So peacock and the picture of a duck, both are the names of a bird. Both are the names of the bird. So here you can see the words like giraffe, dog, peacock, duck. These are all the names of animals and birds, and that's why they are also called as naming words. इसीलिए इनको भी हम क्या कहेंगे? Naming words कहेंगे. Understood? Understood? So let's take some more examples of animals and birds. Like अगर आपके घर पर डॉग आपने पेट रखा होगा ना, बहुत लोगों के घर पे होगा ना. So if you call your dog just dog बुलाते हैं, या you have given some name. You must have given some name, na? You call your dog with some name. Like you may, for an example, if you have like my dog, I call my dog Ronnie. ठीक है, my pet is a dog and I call my dog, my pet as Ronnie. मेरे डॉग का नेम रॉनी है. सो मैं उसको तो रॉनी ही बुलाती हूँ. सो उसी तरह से आपके भी पेट का भी नाम होगा ना. तो इवन रॉनी, टॉमी, अगर आपके पास पैरेट है तो मे भी आपने ट्वीटी नाम रखा है, स्वीटी रखा है, एनीथिंग. ठीक है, तो स्वीटी, ट्वीटी, दीज आर ऑल the names of animals or birds, and that's why they are also called as naming words. That's why they are also called as naming words, right? Now let's take the example of name of a thing. So what do you mean by name of a thing? इसका तो मैंने अभी example भी आपको practically दिखाया, right? Like anything, objects. हमारे घर पर तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. कैन यू सी, अभी आप जिस पर बैठे हुए हैं, किस पर बैठे हैं? चेयर और बेड, राइट. आपने जिस पर अपना कंप्यूटर रखा है या मोबाइल को रखा है, टेबल, राइट. अभी आप जिससे लिखेंगे, पेंसिल, राइट. जिस पर आप बैठकर पढ़ते हैं, टेबल. ओके, जिसमें आप खाना खाते हैं, सो डिश, प्लेट. So everything that you see around your house, it's an object or a thing. So the name of anything is also called as naming words. Like here you can see some examples I have shown, like chair. Chair is an object, a thing. Mobile is a thing. Book is again a thing. Dress, जो हम generally पहनते हैं, dress is also a thing. So the words like chair, mobile, book, dress, these are all naming words. ये सब क्या है? Naming words. सो एनीथिंग बेटा, जो भी चीज़ें आप देख रहे हैं अपने आंखों के सामने, जो हम चीज़ें हम देख सकते हैं, आप नज़र घुमाकर देखेंगे बाहर तो हर चीज़ें जो आप देख सकते हैं, इट is categorized into 5 different sections, right? Name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of a bird, or name of a thing, right? So hope you have understood it till here. So let's just recap and revise what we have understood today. सो आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? वॉट इज अ नाउन और नेमिंग वर्ड. नाउन या नेमिंग वर्ड किसे कहते हैं? नाउन और नेमिंग वर्ड इज अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, बर्ड और थिंग. किसी भी पर्सन का नेम, किसी प्लेस का नेम, किसी एनिमल का नेम, किसी बर्ड का नेम या किसी थिंग के नेम को हम naming words कहते हैं, right? Like see here I have on your computer screen I have shown some examples. Can you see one who's doing namaste like this? He is a boy. So boy is a name of a person. Very good. Now see the second picture where you can see the trees, flowers, and it's a picture of a garden. Very good. So garden is a name of a place. Garden किसका नाम है? It's a name of a place. Very good. Now see the third picture with big ears and a tusk and big trunk. There's a big trunk swinging in front and there is a tusk. 2 tusk, big teeth or tusk you can say. So which animal it is? It is an elephant, right? So elephant is a name of an animal. Elephant is the name of an animal. Now here जिसके आप eggs भी खाते हैं, संडे हो या मंडे आप खाते हैं अंडे, right? So this bird is called as hen. So hen is a name of a bird. Hen is a name of a bird, right? Now see the one जिससे आपको खेलना बहुत पसंद है, which you love to play. Yes, it's a ball. So ball is a name of a thing. Ball is a name of a thing. So any name of any person, name of any place, any animal, any bird or thing is called as naming words. इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Naming words. समझ में आया? समझ में आया क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, आपने कहा yes. Okay, you have shaken your head. So if you have understood it well, now I have a plan for you. जैसा कि मैंने कहा था कि आप कुछ नया सीखने वाले हैं, प्लस इसके अलावा कुछ नया हम entertaining चीज़ें भी करने वाले हैं. Let's not make the thing more boring. कुछ हम fun करते हैं. So are you all ready? Okay, now we are going to play a game. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to play a game. So are you all ready? Come on then. Why to waste the time? Good. Can you see that? Yes, it's a game known as basketball. इस गेम का नेम है बास्केटबॉल. ठीक है. Now what you have to do is, देखो हम बाहर खेलने तो गेम जा नहीं सकते, बॉल से खेल नहीं सकते, तो क्यों ना आप घर पर बैठकर वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं ना. तो चलो आज हम क्लास के दौरान ही गेम भी खेलते हैं. ओके, सो लेट मी टेल यू द रूल्स ऑफ दिस गेम. हियर यू कैन सी देयर आर 4 बास्केट्स. आपको दिख रहा है बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट के 5 बास्केट्स आपको दिख रहे हैं. सी फर्स्ट बास्केट जो है बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट है, उसमें नंबर 1 लिखा हुआ है. नंबर 1 बिलोंग्स टू विच कैटेगरी? नंबर 1 बास्केट बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ अ पर्सन. नंबर 1 की कैटेगरी किसकी है? पर्सन की कैटेगरी है. नाउ नंबर 2 की कैटेगरी किसकी है? नंबर 2 का जो बास्केट कोर्ट है ये प्लेस की कैटेगरी में आता है. किसकी कैटेगरी में? प्लेस की, दैट इज जगह. Now number 3, this basket court comes in the category of animal. In which category it comes to? Animal. So सारे balls जो animal से belong करते हैं वो सारे balls किधर जाने वाले हैं? Animals में, right? Now number 4, this basket belongs to the category to bird. It belongs to the category of bird. Now number 5 category belongs to things. जितनी भी things से related category है वो सब number 5 वाले बॉक्स में बास्केट में जाने वाली है. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? Now what you are supposed to do is, here on this black portion of the screen you will see a picture arising. आपको कुछ देर में कुछ पिक्चर्स आते दिखेंगे एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट पिक्चर. उस पिक्चर को आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट इन विच कैटेगरी दिस पर्टिकुलर पिक्चर बिलोंग्स टू. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल मैं देती हूँ. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको ये पेन दिखाया था. इफ यहाँ पर आपको इस ब्लैक स्क्रीन पर एक पेन का पिक्चर दिखता है, सो दिस पेन विल बिलोंग टू विच कैटेगरी? किस बास्केट में ये जाएगा? नंबर 1 बास्केट में जो पर्सन है, नंबर 2 बास्केट में जो प्लेस है, नंबर 3 बास्केट जो एनिमल है, नंबर 4 बास्केट जो बर्ड है, या नंबर 5 बास्केट जो थिंग है. बताओ, क्या इज पेन अ पर्सन? No, not at all. Number 2, is the pen a place? एक जगह का नाम है, नंबर 2 में जाएगा? Oh no, not at all. So number 3 animal हो सकता है. अरे नहीं, अच्छा एनिमल भी नहीं है. ओके, लेट्स सी नंबर 4 bird. Pen is a bird? No, pen is even not a bird. Okay, अच्छा, now let's see the last one, number 5 thing. So is pen a thing? Yes, so pen is a thing and pen will go to the category to number 5, that is thing. ठीक है? So hope that you have understood the game. Now are you ready to play the game? So let's start. Okay, here is the first picture. Okay, now tell me, this picture belongs to which category? Number 1 person, number 2 place, number 3 animal, number 4 bird, या number 5 thing? बताओ, नर्स कौन होती है? पर्सन है क्या? 1 में जाएगा? नहीं, मुझे तो लगता है नंबर 3 में एनिमल है. नर्स इज एन एनिमल? अच्छा, नो. ओके, सो नर्स इज अ बर्ड? नो. ओके, सो देन आई थिंक नर्स इज अ थिंग. इज अ थिंग? चीज है? नो. ओके, सो नर्स इज अ प्लेस? ओके, नहीं. इज नर्स अ पर्सन? लेट्स सी. Yes, you are correct. Nurse is a person. Very good. Clap for you. Very well done. Now, here is the second picture. ठीक है? Now comes the picture of a parrot. Very good. अभी देखो, this picture belongs to which of these categories? Number 1 person. मुझे लगता है person है parrot. नहीं. ओके, अच्छा, तो फिर नंबर 2 प्लेस होगा. पैरट इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, एक जगह का नाम है. नो. अच्छा, आई एम रॉन्ग. ओके, आई थिंक देन नंबर 5 इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. थिंग? नहीं, इवन दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. ओके, नंबर 3 एनिमल. पैरट इज एन एनिमल? नो. अच्छा, ठीक है. नंबर 4 यू आर सेइंग? अच्छा, you are saying number 4, it's a bird. Okay, let's see. Yes, you are again right. Its parrot is comes in the 4th category, that is bird. Very good. Now here is the third picture in front of you. Where, yes, here it comes. Oh, it's the king of the jungle. Who it is? It's a lion, right? So now tell me, lion comes to which category? क्या right option होगा? मुझे तो नहीं आता बाबा. It's very tough. I don't know the answer. You tell me. Okay, so मुझे लगता है number 5 thing होगा. No. Okay, number 1 person. Number 2 place. अच्छा, even this is also wrong. Okay, then number 4 bird. No, even this is also a wrong option. Acha, so you tell me which is the right option. Number 3, animal. Oh, lion is an animal. Okay, let me just check. Yes, again you are correct. Yes, lion is an animal. Well done, beta. Now let's check the next picture. Oh, wow. See, look at the picture. It's a market. People, so many people are there. People are buying vegetables, different things, right? So it's a picture of a market, right? So market किस चीज का नेम हो सकता है? Person. Market is the name of a person? No. Okay. Market is the name of a thing? थिंग है? मार्केट एक जगह का नाम है, एक चीज का नाम है? नो नो नो. ओके, मार्केट इज द नेम ऑफ एनिमल. किसी एनिमल का नाम है मार्केट? नो. मार्केट इज द नेम ऑफ अ बर्ड. किसी बर्ड का नेम हो सकता है क्या मार्केट? नहीं नहीं नहीं. सो मार्केट इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस. इज मार्केट अ नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस? Yes, I think so that you are again correct. Let me just check the answer. Yes, you are correct. Market is the name of a place. Very good. Now let's check the last picture. Okay, now see, we use this object to travel from one place to another place. And what this is? This is a car, picture of a car. So car comes to which of these categories? 1, no. Okay. 2, no. Okay. 3, okay, no. 4, again no. Acha, then 5. Oh, 5 thing. Car belongs to thing category. Let me just check. Yes. Oh, superb. You have given all answers correctly. Well done. Just give a clap for yourself. Very good. So children, now I think that you have understood this topic very well. Now if I tell you, if I categorize different things in different sections, then easily you can understand that particular thing belongs to which category. Very good. I am really impressed by your performance. Okay, so children, you really played very well and I hope you enjoyed playing the game. I enjoyed playing the game with you all and you all were giving perfect answers. Well done, children. Right? Next time again we will plan out some different games like this. Hope that you will enjoy again next time. Right? So let's just have a quick recap of whatever we have learned today. What all we have learned, that noun is the name of a person, place, animal, bird or thing. Yes. So कभी भी अब आपको क्या करना है, anywhere you go, wherever you go, like you are going to any place, आप balcony में जाकर खड़े हो रहे हैं, just see that what all things you can see around yourself. Just have a look and try to imagine like you saw a bird flying. So now just think that this particular sparrow belongs to which category? Bird, right? जैसे अगर आपने grass देखा या tree देखा, so trees belongs to which category? Thing. Very good. Now today your mama will give you food to eat, lunch, right? So this lunch or food belongs to which category? Thing. Your mother, this word belongs to which category? Person. Very good. Now आपका house belongs to which category? Place. Very good. So this way you can categorize the names in 5 different sections. and this is about naming words. In our next period, in our next class, we are going to revise this naming word, and at the same time I have to tell you some more things about naming words. So for today, my homework that I'm going to give you is draw few pictures in your drawing notebook about some names, about the things that you see in around yourself. Okay, so this is your today's homework, and with this homework I am going to end my today's session. Hope you all enjoyed it. We are going to meet again soon tomorrow. Till then, just take care.